you're experiencing an installation loop with Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing the game smoothly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the game. Check the official website for the latest specifications and compare them with your system's hardware. Step 2. Update game launcher. Make sure your game launcher like Battle.net or Steam is up to date. Open the launcher and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary, as outdated software can cause installation issues. Step 3. Clear cache and temporary files. Clear the cache and temporary files of your game launcher. This can often resolve installation loops. Navigate to the settings of the launcher and look for an option to clear cache or temporary files. Step 4. Repair game files. Use the repair feature in your game launcher to fix any corrupted or missing game files. This option is usually found in the game settings menu. Follow the prompts to initiate the repair process. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. Make sure to back up any important data before doing so, and then download the game again from the launcher. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy your gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.